satisfied because now rains are yet to still start. So what do you have to say about that?
See, we have been supervising the work as well, but those are major works. Now, my concern was that the water flowing through these nallas and gutters should not enter the house. And I think that goal has been achieved. And like you said, we haven't had the real fury of monsoons as yet. So we are monitoring it. Every concerned department, including PWD, is also monitoring it. Work is going on. Now, if you know that road, the straight road that comes from up, near Manas, it comes down. And what was happening, the water flowing along the slope of the road was taking a turn and entering into some houses. So I insisted that the gutter be constructed there. So what I said, see, immediately 100% gutter cannot come in place. But to control the water, they have already dug that area. You know, you must have seen. Have you been there? No, you all have not been there. So if you go there, you will see that there is a gutter, a nalla that has been dug, that comes straight from the top and goes right down, so that the water that used to come from the top and take a turn now no longer has the opportunity to take the turn because the water flows straight into the gutter. So measures are being taken. Now the main responsibility is of DBL. Okay, we have the consultant also who is always present there.
No, but he takes you into confidence as an MLA, local MLA.
Who's that?
DBL?
Not really.
Not really.
It is only when people come to me with their problems that I am, and I think I don't know how many times I've been on the road, and fortunately, because we demand that many requests of the people have been put in place.
No, but if they don't take you into confidence tomorrow, you have to answer your voters and people, no?
No, don't worry about answering. I am there every time they need me, and we have solved our problem. No, but sometimes they do inform us when there are major things to happen. Okay. But there are issues that are happening, and frankly, I feel very sad for people because people are suffering for too long. And this project just seems to go on and on and on.
Delaying, like the PWD minister saying in July, December and all. You mean to say that?
But actually, no, it is basically the DBL contractor that should be taken to task.
Okay? It is the government's duty, no ma'am, the way you are telling. You have told the government.
But if you see now, when we went on site, there was that main fellow who is in charge of that area was not there. He had gone home.
No, but have you told the government to take him into task?
Definitely, we are talking with every department concerned. Okay. Every department concerned. In fact, how do you think we got the labor needed to do the? We cleared the nallas, we constructed a road, we cleared all the mud, we also got the chapel. Very sad to say that water had entered inside the chapel. We got laborers to clean the chapel. Everything was done. And I have to say, see, sometimes what is right also has to be mentioned. DBL gave the laborers that were required immediately. Of course, we got it through the PWD minister. Now people are talking, so tell me.
Marvin had made a statement that he will fill the candidate totally.
Oh my God.
It's your own party.
Now that question should be asked to him.
He openly said.
Now you answer the
so
thing.
Ask him whether it is right to intrude in somebody else's constituency.
So is Marvin interfering, trying to interfere with this?
You already intruded. You already intruded by saying.
You know what's happening.
So would
you think it's right?
No, but how are you keeping quiet?
You have
I'm
raised the
not
issue to the
keeping
party
quiet.
leaders.
I'm not keeping quiet. My people are with me.
So have you spoke
He's
to the?
exposing himself and his mind.
Have you spoke to the party functionaries? Party
I'm
functionaries.
going to fix the meeting. I will be speaking. Okay? Now, I think all of us as human beings, we have to have certain principles in life. No matter how great I may be, I have to adhere to certain principles. And if we don't, we tell the public the kind of human beings we are.
One more issue in your constituency is law and order.
Yeah, because about that suicide. This.
One activist attack is done.
Which activist?
Like
The Sankhwale RTI activist.
RTI
Oh, yes.
activist.
Yes.
So
What is your say
I
on that?
think that was a shocking incident. Okay? I don't know what the issue is, but whatever the issue, nobody has the right to physically assault another human being, and that too by a mask, putting a mask. And you know, why are you putting a mask? Because you're scared to reveal your identity. So you know you're doing something wrong, and yet you do it. That is the behavior of cowards and people who have no principles in life. It is totally condemned what happened to Narayan Naik, the RTI activist. And I think the police have taken the right stand, and the issue will be
but
investigated.
still 2 persons are not caught by police. So दोन अजून मिळून ना ते attack करपी. So they
2 people are still absconding.
Yes.
So are you going to take their issue to government, because it's very serious?
The government has already taken cognizance of what has happened. Okay.